Welcome back to GPT Construction, Masonry, and Design. I just wanted to walk you through this backyard we just completed. Added a beautiful outdoor living space, pizza oven, smoker, companion grill, which is you can do charcoal, searing, deep frying. We got a side burner there. And the Evo grill's becoming pretty popular right now. It's our third one. So here we go. I want to walk you around this beast. We did a real rustic countertop here. Kind of a gray brown to bring out the tones in the rock. This is a full-size bar island here, almost like a picnic bench, just loaded with equipment on the front side. Complete flagstone patio, cowboy coffee right here. Let's walk you around this beast. Here's our 30-inch Evo flat grill, double doors underneath. Here's our Sunstone side burner, Sunstone companion grill. We got triple drawers. This companion grill is kind of a new item. People are really digging it. It does like 5 different things. Here's our cold water sink, so the missus can come wash her hands instead of bending over at the hose bib when she's done gardening. We did the natural flagstone backsplash. This is where the extra large green egg is going. And obviously everything's veneered in Cindy Peak ledgestone. Just beautiful. Over here we got the Memphis grill, smoker, full electric smoker. And then we got our big boy pizza oven. This is a Forno Bravo Casa 120 here. And then over here we got our refrigerator. This is a storage pantry with triple drawers. This is the exit with a little seat wall to retain the hillside. And here's the front of the island. We got the warming drawer, 2 30-inch storage drawers, another refrigerator, because if you have the room, one's for drinks and one's for your food, so you're never running in and out of the house, and our trash drawer. The place just turned out dynamite. I'm gonna fade back because we covered the whole space with New Dawn awning and did a beautiful awning, very custom and trick. We cut out around windows attached to the house. Here we go. Puck lights, beautiful ceiling fan, and now with the Sonos speakers we put the outlets in the corners where you just plug in your Sonos and Bluetooth them to your TV and you got surround sound. Just turned out dynamite. So again, thanks for coming by the channel and checking out what we do. We are GPT Construction, Masonry, and Design, where everything we do is full masonry and built to last. And remember, always say no to prefab.